Smart Padlock is a modern security solution designed for global users who value safety and convenience. Featuring keyless access via Bluetooth or fingerprint, it allows easy control through a mobile app with access logs and sharing options. Built with a durable metal body, weather resistance, long battery life, and USB rechargeable support, Smart Padlock is ideal for doors, lockers, luggage, and gates, making it a top choice worldwide. Portable Charger is a reliable power solution designed to keep your devices charged anytime, anywhere. It features a high-capacity battery, fast charging support, multiple USB Type-C ports, and smart protection against overcharging and overheating. Compact, lightweight, and travel-friendly, Portable Charger is ideal for smartphones, tablets, and gadgets, making it a top global choice for daily and emergency power needs. Folding Keyboard is a compact, travel-friendly typing solution designed for productivity on the go. It features a foldable slim design, responsive keys, Bluetooth connectivity, and wide compatibility with smartphones, tablets, and laptops. With a rechargeable battery, stable wireless connection, and durable build, Folding Keyboard delivers comfortable typing anywhere, making it a top global choice for mobile users. Hand warmers are compact, reusable heating devices designed to keep your hands warm in cold weather. They feature fast heat up, multiple temperature modes, and long-lasting rechargeable batteries. Safe, lightweight, and pocket-sized, hand warmers are ideal for travel, outdoor activities, work, and winter sports, making them a reliable and globally popular cold weather essential. Vibration Plate is a compact fitness machine designed to enhance workouts through high-frequency vibrations that activate muscles and boost circulation. It features multiple speed levels, preset programs, anti-slip surface, remote control, and a sturdy build. Ideal for weight loss, muscle toning, and recovery, Vibration Plate is a globally popular home fitness solution. Electric Lighter is a modern, flameless ignition tool designed for safe and convenient everyday use. It features a windproof plasma arc, USB rechargeable battery, durable metal body, safety switch, and fast charging support. Ideal for candles, grills, and travel, Electric Lighter delivers reliable performance, eco-friendly use, and global popularity for smart living. Charging Station is an all-in-one power hub designed to charge multiple devices neatly and efficiently. It supports fast charging, multiple USB and USB-C ports, smart power distribution, and built-in safety protection against overheating and overcurrent. With a compact, clutter-free design ideal for homes and offices, Charging Station delivers reliable performance and global appeal for modern digital lifestyles. Camera Grip is a versatile accessory designed to enhance photography and videography worldwide. Featuring ergonomic design, anti-slip material, adjustable angles, and universal compatibility with cameras and smartphones, it ensures stable shots and reduced fatigue. Lightweight, durable, and easy to mount, Camera Grip improves precision and control, making it a top global choice for photographers and content creators seeking professional results. Boxing Machine is a high-performance training device designed for fitness and boxing enthusiasts worldwide. Featuring adjustable speed, impact-resistant pads, digital score tracking, and durable construction, it offers an engaging cardio and strength workout. Compact, stable, and suitable for home or gym use, Boxing Machine improves reflexes, endurance, and punching technique, making it a top global choice for effective boxing training. Laser Engraver is a precision tool designed for professional and hobbyist creators worldwide. Featuring high-accuracy laser cutting, adjustable power settings, USB connectivity, and compatibility with various materials like wood, acrylic, and leather, it ensures detailed, clean designs. Compact, durable, and easy to use, Laser Engraver delivers efficient engraving, making it a top global choice for makers, artisans, and small businesses. Grill Robot is an innovative, automated grilling solution designed for effortless cooking worldwide. Featuring smart temperature control, rotating grill mechanism, non-stick surfaces, and timer settings, it ensures even cooking of meats, vegetables, and seafood. Compact, easy to clean, and energy efficient, Grill Robot delivers consistent results, making it a top global choice for home chefs and outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Safety Hammer is a reliable emergency tool designed for vehicles and homes worldwide. Featuring a durable steel head for breaking glass, a seatbelt cutter, ergonomic grip, and compact design, it ensures quick, safe escape during accidents. Lightweight and portable, Safety Hammer is easy to store in cars or bags, making it a top global choice for personal safety and emergency preparedness. Exo Suit is an advanced wearable technology designed to enhance strength, mobility, and endurance worldwide. Featuring lightweight, durable materials, motorized joint support, adjustable fit, and battery-powered assist, it aids in lifting, walking, or rehabilitation. Compact, ergonomic, and easy to operate, Exo Suit improves performance and reduces strain, making it a top global choice for industrial, medical, and personal mobility applications. Galaxy Projector is a mesmerizing home gadget designed to bring the cosmos indoors worldwide. Featuring vibrant LED lights, rotating star and nebula projections, adjustable brightness, and multiple color modes, it creates an immersive space experience. Compact, energy efficient, and USB powered, Galaxy Projector is perfect for bedrooms, parties, or relaxation, making it a top global choice for stargazing and ambient lighting. Sunrise Alarm Clock is a modern wake-up solution designed to improve sleep and mornings worldwide. Featuring gradual light simulation, multiple alarm sounds, adjustable brightness, FM radio, and snooze function, it mimics natural sunrise to wake you gently. Compact, user-friendly, and energy-efficient, Sunrise Alarm Clock is ideal for bedrooms and offices, making it a top global choice for healthier, more refreshing mornings. Desktop jet engine model with humidifier is a unique, functional decor designed to combine style and comfort globally. Featuring a realistic jet engine design, quiet ultrasonic humidifier, LED lighting, adjustable mist levels, and USB power, it improves air quality while adding aesthetic appeal. Compact, energy efficient, and easy to use, desktop jet engine model with humidifier is perfect for desks, bedrooms, or offices, making it a top global choice. Gaming Pixel Light is a vibrant LED lighting solution designed for gamers and streamers worldwide. Featuring customizable RGB colors, pixel perfect effects, app control, sync with music or games, and easy wall mounting, it creates immersive gaming setups. Energy efficient, durable, and responsive, Gaming Pixel Light enhances ambiance and mood, making it a top global choice for gamers seeking style, interactivity, and professional aesthetics. AI Robot is an intelligent, interactive companion designed for education, entertainment, and smart assistance globally, featuring voice recognition, programmable actions, obstacle detection, app connectivity, and learning modules. It engages users. Thermal camera is a high-precision imaging device designed for professional and personal use globally, featuring infrared heat detection, real-time thermal imaging, adjustable color palettes, high-resolution sensors, and portable design. It accurately identifies temperature differences and hotspots. Compact, durable, and easy to operate, thermal camera is ideal for home inspections, electrical diagnostics, and outdoor applications, making it a top global choice for thermal monitoring. Magnetic Cooler is a versatile, portable cooling solution designed for global use. Featuring strong magnetic base for secure attachment, high capacity cooling, energy efficient thermoelectric technology, and durable, compact design, it keeps drinks and snacks chilled anywhere. Easy to use and maintain, Magnetic Cooler is perfect for cars, offices, and outdoor activities, making it a top global choice for convenience and reliable cooling. 4K Projector is a premium home cinema device designed for immersive viewing worldwide, featuring ultra-high definition 4K resolution, HDR support, vibrant color reproduction, built-in speakers, multiple connectivity options, and compact design. It delivers sharp cinematic visuals. Easy to set up and energy efficient, 4K Projector is ideal for movies, gaming, and presentations, making it a top global choice for entertainment and professional use. AI Chess Robot is an advanced interactive chess system designed for players worldwide, featuring intelligent AI opponent, adjustable difficulty levels, automated piece movement, built-in sensors, and app connectivity, it offers realistic gameplay and training. Compact, durable, and user-friendly, AI chess robot enhances strategy skills and provides endless chess challenges, making it a top global choice for enthusiasts, learners, and professional players. Glass Squeegee is a premium cleaning tool designed for streak-free windows and surfaces worldwide. Featuring a durable rubber blade, ergonomic handle, lightweight design, and easy-to-clean construction, it efficiently removes water, soap, and dirt. Compact and versatile, Glass Squeegee works on glass, mirrors, tiles, and shower doors, making it a top global choice for effortless, professional quality cleaning at home or work.